Looking for the ultimate student home in Colchester? Look no further than Enso, where everything is more than perfect. Step into these beautiful apartments and choose from luxurious ensuites and studios, all designed to match your style. Keep your space organized with a spacious wardrobe and enjoy a restful sleep on a plush bed after long hours of lectures. But that's not all. Say goodbye to weekend chores with on-site laundry facilities. Stay connected with high-speed internet and bond with your roommates in the games room. Work out in the fully equipped gym or relax in the TV lounge with your favorite movies and friends. Plus, with all utility bills included, you can focus on living your best life. Conveniently located near the University of Essex and Colchester Institute, you'll never miss a class. Everything you need is nearby. Craving coffee? Swing by Go 4 Cafe. In the mood for Thai? Check out Naka Thai. For daily essentials, Tesco Superstore has you covered. And with the Tesco store bus stop nearby, commuting around the city is a breeze. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream stay at Enso Colchester now at amberstudent.com.